Hello guys, welcome to the our Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about the SSH. SSH is nothing but the secure shell. It is used for secure communication between the two servers. For example, you have the A server and you have the B server. You wanted to make a communication between the two servers securely. If you want to send the data from one server to the another server, or if you want to make a communication between the one server to the another server for do some activity. For example, now I will show the one example. I wanted to install some package in second server. For example, I had created here two servers in the AWS. Here you can see here I had created the two servers. One is the demo one and SSH demo. These are the two servers. Okay. Now I wanted to log in into the both the server. I had logged in into the both the server using the git bash. Right. So I'm in the first server, demo server. So demo server IP address is the 172.131.24.137. If you want to check the private IP address of the server, you can use the if config tool. If config. Now you can see our server's IP address, right? This is my first server, and second server's private IP address is the if config. So second server IP address is the 147, right? I had the two servers. I wanted to do connection from first server to the second server, and I will install some package inside the second server. Let's do that. Now I'm in the first server. My first server is 137. Okay. For make a communication between the two server, you require the SSH command or SSH tool inside your server. Second, 22 port number is enabled. Third, you need the username of the second server, IP address, and password of the second server, means wherever you wanted to log in. So first we will connect this data. We have the SSH inside our server. First you can check SSH. Now you can see we have the SSH tool inside our server. If you are not having, you have to install the package inside your server. That package name is the OpenSSH-server. Inside your server, you have to install OpenSSH server or OpenSSH client inside your server. How to install the packages into the server? Just you can go and watch our previous video how to install the packages using the YAM and using the app. Okay, I had created those videos in our channel. That is those videos are present. Please go and watch that. And if you are not having the package, please install these two packages into your server and also enable the 22 port. Now I wanted to make a communication to the second server. Second server's IP address is the if config. This is the second server's IP address. Copy the IP address, paste it here. I had created the user as a demo and password also demo. These are the three things which are required to communication to the second server. Syntax of the SSH is SSH username @ IP address or host name. Now we will form the command here. SSH, our username is the demo @ or IP address. Copy this one, paste it here. Now you can copy this command and let's try. It will create a connection between these two server or not. Whenever you are first time you are login from the your server 1 to the server 2, so it will ask, can I copy the your fingerprint to this server or not? It will ask the permission. You just give the yes. Then you have to give the your password. Right now you can see I had logged in into the second server. Right now I wanted to do some activity in the second server. For example, I am not inside the sudoers file. Because of that, I'm not having any permission here. So just I will do one thing. I will create mkdir demo. This is my activity. Means just I wanted to log in into the server and I will create the one directory. This is my activity. Just you can check you are created the folder inside your server or not. Just I exited from this connection. Now you can go to your second server. This is my second server. Just do the ls. Now you can see demo is there. Now you can sit in one place and you can make a communication between the any server from your server, and you can do the activities and you come back to the your server. So with this SSH you can make a communication between the two server, right? So in this way you can use the SSH as a tool to make a communication between the two server.